Hey Nish, I got the promotion.
Congratulations, third year in a row.
Thanks a lot.
Aren't you excited?
I'm still miles away from my dream of becoming a CFO.
Well, you can achieve your dreams sooner than expected.
How?
I was thinking instead of going on an annual international vacation this year, you should opt for the Postgraduate program from Emerging CFOs with IIM Indore.
Sounds noteworthy. Tell me more.
This is a year-long program and created with IIM Indore for emerging leaders in the finance industry. Some of the features include 3-day campus immersion program at IIM Indore Executive Educational Alumni Status, Masterclasses by industry experts, mentorship by IIM Indore faculty, networking opportunities and career assistance.
This is nice. I'd like to apply for this course right away.